To a story we broke last night of the new allegations and additional victims claiming hazing and sexual abuse at Ursuline High School.
This updated filing adds more alleged victims and describes new disturbing hazing behavior stretching across multiple new states and back more than 15 years.
We've combed through the hundreds of pages and are now hearing from the attorney representing these families as well as the school. The newly amended lawsuit further alleges hazing, sexual abuse, and harassment, among other accusations, within Ursuline's football program, a timeline dating back more than a decade, and alleged behavior bleeding into 6 different states in recent years. The updated filing, nearly 300 pages, adding a new family to the case and identifying 4 additional alleged victims, some outside the football program, who say the school ignored their reports. The lawsuit alleges that videos of the hazing tradition go back to at least 2022 and continued during the football team's camp trips during 2023, 2024, and 2025. Additional sexual harassment allegations date back as far as 2007. One incident from 2022 describes a player being stomped, kicked, and punched repeatedly, recorded on video and posted online. Alleging players wrapped a sheet over the victim's head and throat and proceed to choke and swing him around.
Another player then puts his buttocks on the victim's head and face. That's an extremely serious matter.
Coaches Reardon, McGlynn, and Serenadis were allegedly aware of the ongoing hazing traditions of their players, yet they did nothing to stop it. More recently, in 2025, on the bus in front of coaches, a player allegedly stuck his hands down his pants and then proceeded to rub his hands on a player's face and mouth. Another allegation claims Coach Tim McGlynn at one point said, quote, "Imagine your mom, dead body," and, quote, "I'll firebomb your house," in response to a player making a mistake at practice. The lawsuit also claims that McGlynn was hired without a background check despite documented issues during his coaching tenure at Champion Schools. Plaintiff's attorney Subodh Chandra says all of this points to gross irresponsibility by the diocese.
There's an allegation that at least one Ursuline administrator was instructing the player to destroy evidence, and the complaint is alleging obstruction of justice because the person giving that order is well aware that there's a criminal law enforcement investigation underway.
Ursuline High School released a statement this morning saying they are reviewing the amended lawsuit with their legal counsel. They also said, quote, "These latest allegations are extremely upsetting. No students or parents should have to deal with such challenges," and says we will continue to cooperate with any investigation. The statement also says that because of ongoing litigation, they unfortunately are limited in what they can share publicly. And we did reach out to both Ursuline High School and the Catholic Diocese of Youngstown about the claims in this amended lawsuit, and we are waiting to hear back from the diocese.